Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Suzuki GSX-R1000 Superbike. This bike is in beautiful condition, has a gorgeous custom paint scheme and custom graphics. White metallic. Only 13,000 miles on this bike. It's got an M4 exhaust. You're going to hear that in a minute. Sounds awesome. Fender illuminator, tail under kit. Putting a brand new tire. We're going to put a chain guard on this bike. Frame sliders, ASV, adjustable levers. Puig, double bubble smoke windscreen. Only $69.99 right here at Contra Costa Powersports. Come on by, check it out. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Make your Superbike dreams come true. Check it out. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.